thing. You know what? You're so wicked.
Oh, now you're taking her side,
No,
right?
I won't take her side. Why are you being so wicked to her?
But I'm your sister.
You know what? You're a very wicked human being. Yes! Are you mad? Downstairs area.
You're always lazy every morning.
Please don't talk to me like that.
Oh, shut up, I'm your big sister.
You know what? You're so rude.
Oh, I don't have your time. Damn it. Try it, and I'll send you to your early grave.
Girls, are you done?
I'm full.
You're full? And what about you?
That's it all.
Okay, finish up. I'll go and check on your dad, okay? He has to drop you guys this morning. Okay. I'll be back. Finish up, Nico!
I could actually tell Mom what you did.
What did I do?
You tried to beat me.
And I will hit you even if you tell her.
Now you get this boss. Shit now!
If I slap you, go
slap.
I will slap you. You go.
Where you go? Oh yeah, turn there. No,
I'm down.
sit down. First come, first out. This boss get better AC. 200 naira.
No, you want 50.
Okay, shit. Okay.
No, you want 50. I will slap you.
They go Jerry, they go.
200
They
enter.
collect transfer.
I want 50 right again.
Wait, 500 now. 500 now. 500. Now fixed price. This boss get AC. But okay, where they go?
I go Jerry.
Jerry. Oh yeah, enter. Your size dey back. Go.
Madam, na 400 I go give you.
Where we dey go?
Madam, na 400 I go give you.
Now 500 naira. Okay, come down. If you don't get fair.
Maybe they go.
No this guy. I have a customer. I used to be. No this guy. Are you mad? I used to be. What is custom? Who they talk?
Who be that small shit when they make noise there?
I don't understand though. No, why short like that?
They can't down. Imagine now you short pass, then they make noise pass. If you don't want to come down.
I don't understand. No transfer. I don't get back. May we dey go Market Road GRA. May we dey go. Oh yeah,
madam, let's go. Not the only one.
You dey collect
the transfer. No. I tell you before I enter, money no dey the country. Money no dey.
Calm down,
who be small girl?
You know small.
You the man, I go change that for you now. Bring the money to your bag.
You do the para, madam. You do the para.
Let me bring money, make I tell you something.
You do the para. They calm down.
I can't collect money now. Not be
collect. No dey shout. No dey shout. You do the shout.
I can give your money now. But don't care about the guy back. No, I know they go. Hey, wait did this? No money that won't talk. Why you like give me your side of money? Eh? Okay, give my child that. Okay, see.
Madam, na man be that. Na man be that.
Madam,
be that. Oga, no be man you be.
See.
Madam, no good.
Madam, no say they do this guy dey mad oh. She mad.
I bet take. Madam, you do the para.
Collect this money.
Madam, you want wood me.
You can't for this job.
No, you no put AC here, sir.
Imagine.
Come on.
No be AC boss.
Na collect your money.
No be AC boss be this. You dey don't say that AC boss, but no be AC boss be this.
Imagine.
Nonsense.
See, come dey go.
Nonsense. Baba. Where they go?
Go. The boss never full now.
People wey dey this area na pass luck full here. For road we go pick the remaining people.
Hey, if you go there this motor, respect yourself. If you go there this motor, respect yourself. I will kind of come down for this place. No refund of money after payment.
Madam, small.
Nonsense. Now, if you reach out, they just say, oh, what?
Not here.
Not here. DRA. There's 200 naira. DRA. There's 200 naira. Who they go? Market stand up. AC, take this box of better AC. First come, first serve. DRA, there's 200 naira. Fish fry.
Ekwe Sika. Abeg. I'm tired. I think we have to pack and rest. Maybe some other time we'll continue.
You don't tire?
I don't tire. No, we'll go rest now. Some other time we'll continue. Yes.
I'm hungry.
See,
go one more trip, but you don't agree.
Because we had agreement. We had agreement to leave early, go do 3 trips, come back, rest. In the evening, we'll go do another 3 trips. No, what you agree? I've done my part.
Yeah. Give me key, make I enter road.
Hey, Grace. Go tell your mother to make food for me. I'm hungry. Say, give you key. Which key?
Papa, I shall be drive now.
I know say it's a bit drive. Let me teach you. But you cannot drive until you are eligible to drive. That's when you get to 18 years. Okay? I am hungry. That's what I said before. Go tell your mama to give me something to eat.
You like this?
Yeah. Okay, so that you go. Let me go find something to eat. You feel like us. You feel like, how are you? This is what I
No. We did well today. Eh? We did well.
Yes, you did well. Oh, where was your father? Who drove the bus? And why are you even the one counting the money?
So many questions. Eh? But don't worry. I will answer the questions. I'm the one looking for the passengers.
Really?
That's why I'm holding the money.
But that's the job of a conductor.
He drove the bus, truth be told. But I'm the convener of this movement.
Sika, why are you the one counting the money?
My school fees. Because of my school fees. It's not yet complete. But don't worry, once we go for this night's movement again, I'll add money to complete my school fees.
Honey, you're not saying anything.
You want to say? I'm not going anywhere.
It's like you're fighting again.
Stop that
Fighting again.
Stop that joke. Stop that joke. Because you will go.
What is it?
I'm worried.
Worried about what?
About our daughter, Sika. She's writing her senior secondary school examination. What next?
Hold on, please. I stressed myself so much. Allow me to rest, please. I need to rest.
You cannot rest now. Have you spoken to her? What are you going to tell her about the school stuff?
Because I cannot look my daughter in the face and ask her to stop going to school and go and learn one trade or something. No, I will not do that.
Neither can I. Baby, Sika deserves this university education that she desires. I'm not saying that learning a trade is bad. Not at all. But the truth remains that every child deserves the basic education.
Absolutely. And every parent should work hard to ensure they give their children the basic education. If not, why give birth to them in the first place? I mean, why bring them into this world?
But we already brought this one to this world. What do we do now? Okay, that's enough. Let me take it over from here.
Really?
You know I can help you, or don't you want me to wash for you?
Of course, I want you to help me wash.
So just go in and rest, eh?
Okay, let me just go inside and read my books.
Sika, stop reading. Please.
Mama, if I don't read, will you help me to read them?
Of course you know I will if I can. But at the moment, I need you to stop washing, go inside the house, take a cold shower, change your clothes and sleep.
Okay, my commander-in-chief. I'll do as you said.
Good. One more thing. After tomorrow, you will not be going to work with your father.
Why? How will that cope? You always say all those conductors take lots of his earnings.
Sika, don't worry your head, alright? We will figure out something to do.
Really?
Go in, change your clothes and rest.
Okay.
Yes. So, what are we having tonight?
Whatever Sika wants to eat, that's what I will make.
Wait a minute.
The time is
Sika is not your husband, right?
well, we will eat what our daughter wants to eat.
I see.
What do you say? Anyway, I have told Sika that after tomorrow, she will not be going to work with you. So,
I just don't want our daughter to cry.
you don't need to bother yourself. I already told her. She didn't seem, but I think she was just a little bit worried about the conductor thing.
Yeah, I know. But don't worry. I will find a way around it.
Exactly what I told her. You know, I really need her to concentrate on her studies so that she can pass her WAEC.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hey, what? My lord is good, oh. Hey, my lord is good. Oh. Where this man be? Papa!
You see your daughter? She's already awake. Yeah?
Your PA. Well, my daughter is like me. She's always taking things that matter really seriously.
Excuse me?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, excuse you?
Yeah.
What are you saying? You are the one who keeps saying that she looks exactly like me. How come you're changing mouth? See. These things run in the blood. My daughter took after me. See, this thing run in our family. Look at my family. See, we are very resilient, we're business-minded, we don't lose focus, we constant. Anything we want to do, we don't stop until we get it done and done right.
Ope.
Oh yes, check out my family now. My siblings, everybody.
You are the only correct person in that your family.
Hey, well,
Yeah.
at least I'm correct. My daughter correct too, like me.
Nice.
So,
Have a wonderful day. Hmm?
okay, obviously we're not eating anything, so let me go. I'll come back for lunch.
Come out now, you dey waste time.
What's your problem?
Why you make it like
Papa, it's okay now. Are you bringing your wife along? You will not leave her to rest.
If I want, I can bring her, isn't it?
Yes, baby.
Oh, we can go together.
Hi. I'm still surprised.
Why?
You both are happy together, even without anything in your pocket.
She doesn't understand.
At all. Let me tell you something, my darling daughter. Love has never been about what a man can bring to the table.
Absolutely. It's about finding what is best in people, not finding what is best for you in them.
Correct.
Yeah.
my daughter no go. May go. Mama, take.
Enter.
See? Yeah. Okay. Come on for that place. Come up here.
Sweetheart, drive safely, right?
I will.
No speed.
Bye-bye.
Sure.
I love you.
9,700.
So, tomorrow is your last day?
Your wife insisted.
It's for good.
I know.
What's being said? What's being said?
What's your face like that? What is it? I think will you chop that plate and eat your food? What's wrong with you?
Mama, time don't late now. I make I tell you, late night food no good for upcoming sleep queen like me. Yeah. Papa, you should be in.
Wait, who's disturbing? You.
Me now.
Shut up your mouth. Eat your food.
But I dey wash my weight. See, I don't want to lose guard though. I won't keep this fine weight or this shape. I won't keep it like this.
Who is deceiving you? Where is the shape? Which kind of weight did they watch? Eat food. What's I'm watching weight?
So you want to go scream all through the day and then come back to the house and don't eat because you are watching which weight?
My fine weight now, not to say I dey get weight now. Not my fine shape. I won't wash am, so I no go lose. Understand?
Listen. Eat your food. Also,
make una just leave me now. Make I just focus on this weight again. I beg.
If you touch that meat there, the kind of pen I will give you.
what's in the middle?
The kind of pen I will give you.
Long throat. Come on, eat your food. Something I'm joking with you. Eat.
Now by force you chop.
Because I yellow face like a father. And you don't look at me to mistake.
You can go to the guest room, your parents' room, or endure.
Karen. Wake up. Why are you sleeping here? Why are you sleeping here? Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
So why are you sleeping here?
Nico wouldn't let me sleep.
I don't understand. How?
She's making videos in her room. So...
And I think you should have supported her. Yes, you should have joined her to make the video instead of coming down here to complain and make her look bad. Must you complain everything? And why didn't you sleep in the pink room?
Because it's dirty. So I said, let me just carry the pillow and sleep here.
It's okay. But sleeping here... Alright, suit yourself. I'll go get water.
Nico. She won't let me sleep. Always supporting her.
Why didn't you support her? Why didn't you support her? Every time, must I always support her? Can't they support me for once? Nico.
Yes, I've already told them what to do.
Honey, the kids are waiting. The kids are waiting.
Okay.
You're still on call?
Yes, but I'll join you soon.
We're waiting for you.
Sorry, Mr. Ishaya, I will have to call you back. Well, meanwhile, I've put everything in place, okay? My kids are waiting for me to take them to school, so maybe later in the day I will still call you. But then you have to proceed. Okay.
Papa. Yes. No food follow that side though. Add many for there.
Oh, for that street, Abi?
Hey, then plenty for
yes,
there.
It's true. Hey, there's always serious hold up there. It's serious. Okay, don't worry. That's the way I'll follow now. I'll follow on that route.
What just happened now?
Jesus!
You don't
let's run away. Let's run away.
They go pursue us. Nothing run now. They go pursue us.
Hey, what happened? What did I do now? What did I do?
You want the para? Come on.
What is this?
I'm sorry.
Did you not see my car? What was that?
Sorry.
What is story?
Sorry.
What is story? What is story?
Sir, so sorry.
Telling me sorry.
Sir,
you're telling me sorry. You should be sorry for yourself.
Sir, please forgive us.
Hey. Close the mouth.
No mistake. I beg. Leave that.
DPO. Please, I need officers.
Hey, because please now, don't call police.
Okay, wait,
yes, I'm at
I'm
making a call. Hey. I'm on phone.
Please now.
I'm at Innocent Junction.
Hey.
Yes.
Please now.
Oh, okay,
sir, please, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
My mind is skipped.
Where is your mind? You are driving with family problem.
I don't know.
You are driving with family problem.
My mind is please now.
When you get to the station, you will explain.
Hey! Station.
Karen. Where is Karen calling me? Hello, Karen. Oh my God. Where? Okay, baby. I'm coming there right now. Where is my bag? Where is my khaki? Okay, khaki is downstairs. Asake, open the gates. Open the gates. Leave it. Just open the gates. Remove this thing. Remove it.
this now. Okay, listen to your daughter. She's very...
Honey, what happened? You'll be back on her. Please shut up.
Mistake, oh. My mind just hit.
It's okay. Are you okay? You're fine. It's okay.
What happened?
It's okay. At least the police are here. It's okay. It's okay. Were you hurt?
Honey, you need to take the kids to school while I can.
Okay, darling. Guys, let's go. Come on.
Come on, go.
It's okay. Let's go.
Can you just see that? Don't see me. Mr.
Victor.
The driver of this vehicle?
Yes.
We are taking these 2 vehicles to the station. Right now.
Please, we made mistake.
Don't waste my time. Officer!
Call your tow. Police are friend.
Call the tow van now.
Police is our friend, though.
Well, just when you get there, you explain yourself. Where's the key to this vehicle? Where's the key? You are delaying. Move inside. Collect the key.
What's not this?
You can imagine. He bashed a car that his entire generation cannot afford.
Sir, please, you're not God. Even if my father cannot afford it, I will afford it.
Really?
And I trust you on that, my daughter. There's nothing God cannot do.
Mr. Victor, we confiscate your car. Yes.
GP, you will not.
That boss has to be in my compound till he raised the money to fix my car. Just hold on.
This is a quotation from the mechanic. A Mercedes-Benz authorized mechanic. The bill is about 2 million. And I think it's considerable enough.
2 million? Who sell the boss now? How much is the boss? Sell it and give him the money.
And I am so certain I'm going to do that.
I am so going to sell that boss, and I will sell you too.
Sir, we don't have such money. We don't get that money at all. We don't have it.
Even the boss you're talking about is on hire purchase. Please, DPU, because let me make an appeal. Can I have my boss? Let me go and hustle. As I'm hustling, I'll be remitting the money till I pay the money.
Mr. Victor, the boss will be in our custody.
Yes.
But what about him? At least both drivers are at fault.
Young lady, who are you again?
And my papa is.
Yes, she's my daughter. Okay.
He's your father. And you are putting him into more troubles. Now listen, you both. If the police cannot handle this case my way, I will involve the DSS. And if the DSS cannot also handle it my way, then EFCC comes in.
And EFCC go a wrong way too, the Interpol will interfere.
Not the accident.
Yes!
What about FBI?
On NAFDAC.
What do I expect? Huh? His wealth is his power. And he's doing a damn good job by maximizing every opportunity he has to humiliate us with it. They say police is your friend. In this case, they have danced to his tune already because of money.
I'm just confused. I'm so confused that I don't even know which way to go. Make a case against him. We need a lawyer. Where will we see the money to get a lawyer? Yes. Okay, pay him damages like he's claiming 2 million naira. If we don't pay for lawyer, that 2 million will pay. I just don't know what to do.
And the police is with our boss.
That is the problem.
Where are we going to get?
Because if to say the boss they, well for you and they even the hustle. I know what I will feel.
But you don't get which kind of way you want hustle. They want to get 2 million.
We don't pay the higher purchase money finish. Now I want to pay 2 million. I don't.
Yeah, we want to see 2 million pay that.
I don't know what I want to do like this. So.
The poor man is so voiceless in this country. How you take me decide?
So you people wanted to run?
Run? Run to where? That's not possible. Do you think I'll ever abandon my boss? No. By the way, what are you doing here?
The man wants his money today. You must follow me to the station.
Wait, so he cannot wait till weekend?
Now.
Don't stress yourself. What is it? Is it not police station? If they want to arrest every one of us, then we go. What kind of a joke is that? Nobody can come and intimidate us in our house. Let us go. Station, hellfire. Let's go, I beg. Hey, lead the way now.
Oh, you go.
Yeah, I don't understand this kind of
No
movement.
problem. Don't go.
Yes, station. Let's go.
I don't know.
Tomorrow, the rich are happy, the poor are crying, brother. Take it easy. No one knows tomorrow.
DP, I told you that poor people are lazy and proud. Imagine the way they kept me waiting. They kept a billionaire waiting. Look at them. Just look at them. All people. I'll sue you all. Trust me, I'll sue you all. Nonsense.
Oh, Mr. Paul.
Tell me what you want them to do. Because going to court will prolong this matter.
The DPO is right. Sir, please forgive us. We do not have any money to pay you. Please, have mercy.
Even if we are going to pay, it is not now. Because we don't have it. That's the truth. But I have strength. I can work hard and pay for the money. I'm not asking for time.
But you have to be nice to us.
Shut up. You are crazy. You are just out of your mind. You're not reasoning. Look, if these people does not have money to repair my car, come on, they can come and work for me for 1 year. All of them. I mean all of them. For 1 year.
Never.
I can be kind enough to let go of the money. I can forget the money.
Upe. Never. My family cannot be subjected to that.
Oh, you have a choice.
Yes.
You have a choice.
We do.
Mister, please. Please.
Fine. I will work for you for 1 year. So you can give my father back his boss.
2 years. Yes. 2 years. If you're coming along to work for me, then you have to work for 2 years. And DPO, the boss inclusive. Contrary to that, then I meet you in court. The choice is yours.
God, you're in heaven, see what is going on.
DPO.
You're in heaven.
DPO says.
Mr. Victor. Mr. Victor.
Okay, DP, I hear you.
What can you do for me, sir?
I don't know what you want me to do. If he takes my boss, how will I make the money? How?
What are we doing in the hospital?
You want to know what we are doing in the hospital? I want my doctor to conduct a test on you because poor little rats like you are always with one contagious disease or the other. I will advise you don't say any more word. Go in.
Honey, please. Please. You have to stop crying. Okay? You have to stop. I mean, everything will be fine.
How? Baby, tell me, how do I stop crying? My daughter has been used for exchange for a debt that we cannot pay. And they also took your boss. Even the police, they couldn't do anything for us because he has money. They had to dance to his tune. My only daughter, used in exchange for a debt. I cannot take this. I can't take this. I can't wrap my mind around this. I cannot wrap my mind around this.
Listen to me, baby, listen to me, please. Sika will be fine. Sika will be fine.
I'm gonna give her food.
Don't worry, she'll be fine. She's not in the prison.
But she's taken as a slave, don't you understand?
That's what I'm saying, calm down. Don't worry. We'll go to his house in the evening and beg him. I have his house address. I have it with me. Yeah? I don't think he has a heart of stone. He will listen to us.
My heart is busting into pieces.
Nico.
Sika. Sika. I can't take this, I can't process this in my heart. My daughter is late because we cannot pay the money.
Asake? Sir. Please come. Henceforth, this is my maid. Yes. Her name is
Sika.
Sika.
Sika. Sika.
Sika. You're welcome. Come on in.
Darling, you're welcome.
Maid. This is a child now. The federal government should pass a bill that no child will be lured into child labor. This is a very little girl. She ought to be in school, is it not?
This is my family, my wife. Nico, my first daughter, and Karen, my second daughter. Guys, she's our new maid henceforth. She'll be in charge of all the chores in this house. Did you sneeze?
No, I'm sorry. Sorry,
Try
sir.
that again.
Sorry, sir.
Like I was saying, should any of them complain, you know what it means?
I will hand you over to the police. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. That's your room.
Oh! Come with me. Come here.
I'm sure you like the new maid.
But Dad, do we really need her?
Yes, we do.
Don't worry, it's time you get used to her. Alright?
Alright. This is the kitchen. And this is a list of our names and what we like to eat. If there is anything that you need that is not here, make a list and bring it to me. Let me remind you that we love eating Ghana jollof rice for dinner.
Maybe rice and rice now. I can make any kind of jollof rice, Nigerian jollof rice, any rice. I didn't say Nigeria. Keep playing with me. I said Ghana jollof rice. Ghana jollof rice. Do you understand me now? Yes, ma'am. Get busy. So, how long is she going to be here?
Till they provide my 2 million naira.
Wow. So, what if somebody comes around to help them?
Somebody? Huh. Come on, you know that's not possible. You know, I've looked at these people. I don't think they have a relative that can comfortably bring out 10,000 naira, let alone 2 million. So, I am not seeing that coming. You know, poor people are always having a circle of poor friends. Yes.
You're right there. Anyway, that doesn't matter. What matters is that I have a maid.
Exactly.
And that's it.
Exactly. And to worsen it all, the police will be bringing that boss here. I'll keep that boss in my compound till they bring the money. Or that dirty, poor idiot will remain in this house for 2 or more years. Yes, and she'll be doing her domestic work till then.
That's my darling. You know what? Interesting.
Very.
What you need is a very special massage.
Really?
Come here, baby.
Come here. I thought we were going to hear.
No, baby. I'm not insensitive. Come on, where do I start?
Let me see what's inside his pocket. Why are you opening up like that? Keep quiet. It's smelling!
Oh, that's why you shouldn't have opened the bag.
Oh, you're actually right for the first time in 13 years.
You know what? You're so rude.
Please.
Are you looking for anything?
So I can come into my own kitchen again?
No verse.
No vernacular in this house.
That's pidgin, not vernacular.
The next time you correct me again, I will deal with you.
Am I supposed to feel hot? No.
Hey, Sika. Thank you very much. Have a very fantabulous night. Thank you. This is a very little girl. She's a small girl. God.
What is this? I thought I told you to make Ghana jollof rice for me and my children. That's what we love to eat.
Ma, I wanted to, but the ingredient wasn't enough.
And why didn't you tell me? I told you that when you don't have anything you need or enough that you need, you should make a list and bring it to me.
I'm sorry, ma.
Just get out. Get out.
The food is nice. I like it.
I hope it's not.
This is nonsense.
Where are you going?
Sika! Sika! Where are you?
I was taking my pills.
Who asked you to take your bath?
Do I need permission to do so?
Yes. My family and I own you. So you need to take permission before doing anything. You hear me?
What do you want?
I don't like that rice you made. So I want you to make another jollof rice for me tonight.
I'm tired. Can I prepare it tomorrow?
If I don't see you in that kitchen in the next 3 minutes, you will look for your head.
I know she can do that, and no one will say anything about it.
Wait now, I've not changed. Go to the kitchen now. What's wrong with you?
Keep quiet there. Keep quiet. She's our maid. In fact, she's our slave. And everyone in this house is free to do whatever you like with her, including you. So do whatever you want with her.
You know what, darling? There are differences between slaves and freeborn. She's your slave. Okay? And I don't need to remind her that any day she dares disrespect you and your sister, I swear to God I will unleash hell on her family, not just her alone.
But Dad, do you know that's someone's child?
Eat your food.
Karen.
I don't have appetite for rice anymore. Get me omelette. To my room right now.
Can you imagine? This is serious. Hey, I don't know what to do to help you. Eh? Like, this is very sad. But it should be this thing accident. Both drivers collided. Why is it only you that will be penalized?
Ask me.
This is not right.
Ask me.
See that DPO? They have a business that are running together. In fact, I can even swear that he is giving them something.
It's obvious now.
He's giving them something.
It's obvious.
But that is not the reason why you should go and sit at home and be crying. What is there? Take your wife and go and meet the DPO and beg him. You people cannot allow them to enslave your daughter there. If you go there, make noise, shout, do something. Don't allow them to intimidate you.
Nah, by shouting. That's the way this country goes. If maybe say I'm a good person, I know what to do. Carry somebody like you now, just deal with DPO now. They wrong one or two things. You don't finish. You don't finish.
No, as what?
No, that's by the way. That's not what I want to do. Don't worry. I get plans. I know what to do.
Better do it.
Yes. Just give me one more bottle.
I'm not a cook. So how do I please these people? Oh, wow. It's pretty amazing.
Mama, I did fine. Don't worry about me. How Nadi?
We are fine. I miss you so much, baby.
Yes, so much. I hope they're not maltreating you.
Sika. Sika, are you there? Mama. I'm fine, Mama. Mama, I won't go sleep. Oh. Don't worry, I'm fine. They're not maltreating me. Bye-bye.
Bye, baby. We love you.
Sure, you take care of yourself, okay?
Yeah. Good night.
Come on, baby, don't start. Why are you acting as if something terrible has happened to our daughter?
What can be more terrible? Our only daughter, in 2023, living in someone's house as a slave. Our only daughter. Because we don't have money.
It's okay. I told you it's okay. We'll find a way to bring her out of that place. Okay? I assure you. I promise. Oh? No, it's okay. Come here. Come here.
You did well by coming out early before me. This is unlike poor Karen.
It is what it is. What do you want? And where is Sika?
You mean that slave girl?
She's not a slave.
Sika? Sika? I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Don't tell me Sika is still sleeping by this time.
Please, can you come home? Let's go already.
Oh, shut up. I have a soul to kill.
You will go to jail if you kill everyone.
Sika? Sika? Obviously, she has never slept in an air-conditioned room before. Sika?
You don't wake up. Good morning.
Where's my breakfast?
Breakfast? Hey! Wait, I go. Wait.
Sika! Please stop shouting at my ear. What is it? If you want to go and shout inside. Come here.
Just keep your good money to yourself. Next time you fail to wake up by 5 a.m. in this house, I'll make you walk with your head on the ground in this house. Just get out of my sight. Get out!
Here I am, planning to report to her about the way Karen talks to me. That means she will add more beating for me. Well, if I don't die in this house, then I will live longer than Methuselah. You're around. I thought you'd wait.
You thought what? You thought what? So after your stupid father bashed my multi-million naira car, you still had the temerity to even attempt of snatching me away from my wife.
Sir, God forbid. I don't feel do that kind of thing now.
Will you take your dirty, poor, useless, frustrated self out of this place now? Get out! Get out! Nonsense. Hello, DPO. Listen, just listen to me. Send me that boss and stop calling me. For crying out loud, if you cannot handle this, I wouldn't mind calling the Inspector General himself. In fact, I will even call the IG. What is wrong with you? Please stop calling me. All I need is the boss. Please. Mad people everywhere. Officer. Okay, that's the boss. That's the key to the boss. Nice. Okay, I have this for your transportation back to the station. Thank you, sir. Tell the DP I will see him later in the day. It's alright, sir. Sir, in case there is anything, don't hesitate to call us. The police is your friend. It's alright. Thank you, sir. You take our leave now. No problem. Thank you, sir. That's okay? Okay. This boss will be in this compound henceforth. Yes, okay. Do not allow anything to happen to it. Instead of something to happen to this boss, let it happen to you. Do you understand? Yes, okay. Do you understand? Yes, sir. Before the gate.
So, I've told Mama Jima, you know, to see how she can assist us in getting those stuffs.
I hope she does something.
I don't know. Wait. Na Sika. Hello, Sika.
Papa, they've brought the car.
Really?
Yes. The police brought it.
Okay. Don't get too excited, eh? Don't allow anybody to know anything.
Okay.
Okay, my mother and I will come and see you soon, okay?
Okay.
You should have just let me say hello to her. What's going on?
The police brought back our boss. They went to pack it at Paul's place. Why is she angry with me? Of course, you don't expect me to do anything at this moment. If not, that would be breaking the law. Baby, why are you angry?
Don't be angry. Hey! How old are you?
I'm 14 years.
14 years.
Mm-hmm.
God.
Wait, be God.
It's bad.
Mm-hmm.
It's bad.
Get man with speak English. No, wow.
Just look at her. Very small girl. Smally. It is written all over her. What is she even doing here? Huh? How can parents be having children? They can't offer the littlest thing a child needs. Basic education. Huh?
Karen, come with me. Sika, kneel.
Why? I am not going anywhere. And Sika is not kneeling down for you.
Oh. How about I tell Dad and Mom I saw both of you kissing?
You are a liar!
Oh, let's see if they'll believe you. Sika, come here! Sika!
Why you dey run now? I think so you know the fear. Oh wow.
What's wrong with you? Why are you screaming?
Mommy, Sika, she wants to kill me!
What? I don't understand.
Mom, don't mind this your daughter that is so dramatic and wicked, especially to Sika.
Stop! Stop it! Sika is our maid. She's our slave, so she must obey.
Yes.
Come with me.
Okay, if this is how the slave masters treated our forefathers, then we wouldn't have been born.
Just come with me. Don't look at her. Where is she?
How dare you scare my child? How dare you?
Ma, I did not scare her. Well, I brought a knife to cut onions and she saw me and ran away. Ma, Nico is like a sister to me. I will not do anything that will hurt her.
Shut up. Shut up! First, she is not and will never be your sister. So if you're trying whatever you're trying, no matter what you try to get her close to you, you will fail. And let me warn you, don't you ever frighten my child again. Never.
I'm sorry, Nico. I'm sorry, Ma.
Better. Why? How come you learned how to cook at a young age?
Oh, about that. I'm the child of my parents, so my mother taught me everything I needed to know, since she always goes to work early in the morning, leaving me with my father.
Really? Yeah. So your mother has a job, yet you people cannot afford ordinary 2 million naira.
Well, she was sacked from her job with some other people. They were accused of internal fraud.
Wow. I'm not surprised. Because you poor people have a thing. It's stealing from people. Excuse me, please be fast with the food.
Hi. Can I help you with anything? Well, I would have loved to, but I don't want you to stress yourself. I can do it. And if you help me, you'll be putting yourself in trouble.
And I insist. It's my life, and I can do anything with my life. So, I want to cut something. Can you give me anything?
I see. I'll go to the fridge. Help me cut the onions.
Okay. No problem.
What is keeping her? It's unlike her. Let me go and check on her.
Oh, you're no verse, I delay for your food. And you know, the rice been finished, so I can't cook another one.
Yeah, good. Thank you so much. It's God that brought you here into this compound for my stomach.
No. God cannot allow my mother carry me for 9 months and give birth to me. And at the age of 14, still turn me to an impromptu slave. Slave by circumstance. But I know the God that did.
Sika, what did you just say? Slave? What? How?
Asake, yeah, they go. Good night, eh? Go chop your food.
Thank you, yeah, good.
Go chop your food.
You will tell me. You will tell me.
Asake, go chop your food. I will come in the morning, come collect the kids.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, eh?
Bye.
I will come collect the place later.
The rich are happy, the poor are crying, brother. Take it easy. No one knows tomorrow.
a slave. How? What does she mean by that? I need to speak with her. Yes. She looks like somebody that is trying to control herself. First, she's very smart. She's supposed to be in school by now, studying. Even if the parents are not well to do, it's not enough reason for her not to be in school. And I know Nico will be using her to exhibit her bad character. No, I will speak with her. I must speak with her.
Nico. How can somebody be living in a fine house but will be dirty in a room? My God. Everything bad in this house is Nico that's always causing it. Fine, dirty girl. What's all this? Hey, that's so picking room supposed to be. I can't think say Nico will need to pass carry. This girl needs shower. Okay. Later, Nico will not touch you with her dirty hand. She will use her dirty hand to touch you. You're welcome. And who is this?
Ma, she's my mother. She came to visit me.
Get her out of my property. And get busy. If you want to sleep in this house with your face intact.
Come back here, Madam Millionaire. My daughter's face? Oh, so you have been hitting my daughter. Why don't you just face me woman to woman?
Mama, I beg.
Why don't you face me woman to woman instead of hitting this little girl?
I beg, you never reach like this now, I beg.
So you brought your mother to come and fight me in my own house? Really? Remember, the police station is just by the corner. It's not far from here. Come on, girls.
That's all you people know how to do.
By the time I come back here, make sure your mother is not in my house. Okay?
That's all you people know how to do. You humiliate the poor. You silence them.
Come upstairs.
God. Because we don't have money. Because we don't have money. That's all you know how to do. You threaten the poor, you humiliate them, and then you silence them with the police.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you.
We're in your hands, cause we have no one to run to.
Hello, honey. Oh. Yes. She brought her mother to come and fight me. In fact, she brought her mother to come and beat me up because the woman wanted to beat me up. Can you imagine, honey? Okay. Okay, please come home fast. I'll be waiting for you.
Adani, come outside.
Now, what is it now?
I go outside.
What is the problem?
I don't want your noise.
And leave me alone, guys.
Come here.
So it's you.
One more word.
But why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to us?
An inch closer, you drop dead immediately, and there's nothing anybody can do about it. Stop coming to my house. Stop coming to my house to look for that miscreant.
My daughter is not a miscreant.
I will ignore that. My next visit, I will not be friendly.
Because you have all the money in the world. Because you have all the money in the world.
Hi. I'm sorry for what my mother said to your mother. I'm so sorry. It's fine. But you want job? Me? Me, I don't want to do anything. I just want to solve this thing because if I reach school now, I'm going to submit it immediately. So I need to do it now because it's very hard. I hate maths. Maths? What topic? What topic? Logarithms. You can see. Follow this formula and thank me later. So, what will you eat? Like I said, I'm not really hungry.
go and wash up. I'll be putting on this party this morning. Where's my pad? Where's my panties? Oh, this slave girl actually cleaned my room to steal my panties. Now I see how she operates.
Sika? Sika!
Well,
come here. Where's this girl?
Ma.
It took you all day to come out here.
Just imagine.
By the way, why did you steal Nico's undies?
Dad, she stole all of them.
Sika. Sika. How long have you been stealing from us? No, tell us. How long?
Ma, I did not steal her undies. Yes. I went to her room to clean it up and I noticed some things were unkept. I arranged her wardrobe and washed all her dirty undies for her. I spread it at the backyard.
If I heard you clear, you said all her dirty undies. In other words, Nicole is dirty.
Yes, sir. She's very dirty. For a girl who just started her period, it's a shame.
Will you keep quiet? Shut up!
But ma, that's the truth. Your daughter is dirty in and out, and I'm ashamed of her. Karen, let's go.
Let's go, Jerry. You see, you brought in a slave to make me depressed in my own father's house.
Shut up your mouth. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
She's insulting me.
Honey.
I will deal with you, Sika. I will.
What's wrong with her?
She's your sister. I should be asking you.
You know what? Women can be unpredictable, especially Nico. She's unbelievable.
Make her go outside before she tell me slap.
Don't worry, she won't do you anything. Let's go.
Why did you look at me like that? Why did you stare at me and hissed? What was that for?
I'm disappointed at you and Nico. You both disgust me.
What are you talking about?
As her mother, you are in the best position to discuss her menstrual cycle and cleanliness. Not me. Not a Sake the gate man. Not Karen. Not even the maid. Just imagine the slave girl that came to this house few days ago has now discovered that our daughter is very dirty. I am so ashamed of you. You failed as a mother.
Paul, don't provoke me this night. Else, there will be problem in this house this night.
Excuse me? You heard me right. You know what? I don't have your time.
And I don't have your time either. Hold on. You think I'm Sika's parents that have been intimidating and humiliating? Don't even try it. Don't try it, because if you do, I will send it to your early grave. What is it? She's also your daughter, is she not? She's your daughter too, so if I've failed, why don't you teach her? Teach her yourself!
Did I hear you say, if I dare, you will send me to my early grave? Let me just pretend I didn't hear that. But I want you to know that you have failed not just as a mother, but as a woman. You are a disgrace to womanhood. You should know that. Stupid and senseless woman.
It is your mother that is stupid and senseless.
Don't say that to me. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Like you.
Well, me, I know if you go separate them, they go just beat me, join. After all, now ordinary slave I be. But wait though. Is this what marriage is all about? Or they're just giving me a wrong impression? Because I've not seen my dad beating my mom before. Neither have I seen my mom speak rudely to my dad. Well, what do I know? I'm just a poor slave. Make I go drink that smoothie. Make I go flex now. No, them will ask about that. Make I go talk now. Make I leave our day. Let's leave.
Why should I feel bad that she's doing her job? She actually watched them all. I think there's no need.
Come. Let me see. It's okay. I know you're confused with Mass. Let's go to the living room. All I need you to do is concentrate and put your mind in what I'm about to teach you. Then trust me, you'll be good in Mass. Huh?
Okay, no problem.
Let's go.
Listen, maths is very easy. All you need to do is just concentrate, put all your mind in it, and you'll get it right. So, I just solved this. Use this formula to solve the rest.
It's not now.
Try it. Let's go. They always tell you, try. Why? It's not good. Let's solve it and tell me next. Let me look for it and solve it. So that's it. Just keep going. You get it.
So, you let this local thing teach you what she doesn't even know. The way you were feeling.
Please, can you mind your business and just get out? Do not let her distract you. Focus. I can help you.
If you say that again, then you're getting a slap. And I mean it.
You've been on this topic since. I've been watching you. Trust me, let me help you, please.
I was not in the right mood before you came. But I'll be in the right mood if you don't leave my sight. A slave from the slum cannot teach me anything.
I know I'm a slum, but my brain doesn't act like one that's from the slum. Why don't you reduce your pride? Let me help you out. Forget say I be Paco, but trust me, I intelligent die. I sabi book.
What is it? Are you okay? Sorry, so sorry. Stand up, sorry. Sorry. What did you do to her?
She insulted me.
You know what? You're so wicked.
Oh, now you're taking her side,
No,
right?
I won't take her side. Why are you being so wicked to her?
But I'm your sister.
You know what? You're a very wicked human being. Yes. What is wrong with you? Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! What you people You're wicked! I hate you! Okay, please.
I hate you too!
You're wicked.
You're wicked!
Please stop! I'm here! What is going on? Why are you fighting with your younger sister? What is going on?
Mom, she insulted me!
I insulted you?
Yes!
I insulted you!
I said what?
Hold on! Can you stop?
It's your business!
Wait, can somebody tell me what is going on?
Okay, well, Mom, if you want to know, she started beating Sika for no reason.
If she beat Sika, that means she deserves it. Yes, she must have done something to provoke her that made her to beat her.
Mom,
Shut up your mouth.
Mom, why are you so inhuman? Do you know that this is someone's child? What if it was to be your child? How would you feel?
You're talking to...
Yes!
Go to your room. Shut up and go to your room!
I hate you! You're very wicked!
Go to your room! In fact,
I
you are
hate you.
grounded. You are grounded. I don't want to see you downstairs. Come on, please. Get out of here. Listen, let me tell you. I don't know what your plans are. But if you are coming to this house to make my children to fight against each other and just be a loggerhead, you are wrong. It will never be possible. At least I'm still in charge. Don't worry. I'll deal with you.
Oh, that is why they brought this bus here. I was wondering how my boss will buy this bus and pack it. Okay.
You know, after the accident, he insisted my father repair the tiny scratch on his car, not minding the damage our boss sustained. He wanted his money, 2 million naira.
How?
Of course, he involved the police. And you know, we don't have such amount of money. Then I volunteered to serve him for 2 years, when he requested my parents and I become his servants.
Wow.
I don't want my parents to be humiliated. Never.
This one, Sika, this one will also pass. It will pass.
Amen. Security gate man will speak English.
I don't blame you. There are securities. I am the security.
This girl did not clean my room. She really wants to die in my hand. I will kill her and nothing will happen.
Life is so rough and so tough, rejection everywhere. But I believe in miracle. I need a miracle today. Oh, I don't care what people may say.
Sika!
I don't mind.
Sika! Sika, what is it? What happened? Whatsoever you're having with her will not work.
Listen, let me warn you. Listen, you don't too much for you for this house. So make I warn you. If you touch me again, I go to come on your teeth.
Let me warn you. Whatsoever you're having with my sister, it will not work. It will not work.
You're just a spoiled brat. Fight me. Let me carrying out of this. No, fight me now. See, I be street kiddo. I go to beat you. With my calculation, it's no more with 5 months. So beat me. Touch me now, touch me. But I think you don't know who I be, Abi. Eh? Abi? Let's go. That's good for me. Sense. The mom is back. She go report me to your mama. It's okay, don't worry.
Even though I hate you now, but I tap into the moment of your happiness.
so nice. Gary! Please. Gary!
Yes, ma'am.
Come here, my darling. Ah! Oh, that's my baby.
Mom, what is it?
What is it?
How was the PTA meeting?
My darling, everything was good. It went very okay. And we are so proud to be your parents. You needed to see us, eh? Hey!
Mom, you're getting suspense. I know I hate it.
And who is talking to you right here? Does this have to do? This has nothing to do with you, alright? So, you said today is my happiest day. Come here. Come here. You say today is my happiest day. Okay? I am the happiest father alive. And you made it possible.
Wow. I can't believe it. How?
Sit with your father.
You see, you emerged the best mathematics student of the year.
Wow. My darling, it came with a transfer to England. All expenses taken care of. Jesus. I mean, your school fees, your uniform, your flight to and fro, feeding, everything. All allowances taken care of.
Wow, again.
But my question here is, how did you do the magic? Because the you I know, mathematics is your worst subject. So how did you manage to do this thing? Because I know how much I've spent in getting different tutors to impact that in your head, but all to no avail. So how come the magic?
No, honey. No. At this point, how she did it is not important. The important thing here is that the result is authentic. And it has been verified by the examination board. So, what are we talking about?
Well, actually, it matters. You know, I don't really deserve all the accolades. Sika was the one who taught me how to do everything.
Hold on. Who is Sika? Which Sika?
This little girl.
Yes. She has been wasting her time teaching her. Sika is only deceiving Karen.
I wouldn't want to say this again. Let this be the last thing you will say till the end of this meeting. Did you hear me?
Very good. Well, our waste of time, like you said, has yielded something good for this family.
In everything, no matter who is involved here, the most important thing is that this is a record-breaking impact. Do you know what it means? It's a history. It will never be forgotten. It must be remembered someday that Karen Paul came out the best mathematics student of this very year.
That's my daughter.
Yes, I'm so proud of you, but where is that?
Thank you.
Where is she?
Sika!
Sika! Did I ask her to teach you? Why would she?
I don't understand.
No, I want to know, why would she?
Honey, that girl. But where is she?
Ma! Sika! Ma, I'm coming! Ma!
Huh? Sir, you're welcome, ma. You're welcome, sir.
I brought my daughters to apologize to you for all the bad things we've done to you and your family. You know, I never knew we live by each other's grace and ability. Your daughter's impact on my daughter's academics is overwhelming. And as such, I can't take it for granted. To show further appreciation, I will give you a check of 5 million naira.
You give me 5 million?
Yes, just to say we are sorry.
5 million naira?
Yes. You know, we've shown Sika the highest level of hatred. And it's time we flip it. We want to show her unmerited love.
So, why don't we take a picture? A family picture? Your phone. I guess you left it at home.
In addition to that, henceforth, Sika's education will be my priority.
Really?
Yes, I will train her to the highest level, provided she's ready to study.
You're going to do that?
Yes.
Wow.
Sika, I'm very sorry for everything.
It's fine. I mean, we're sisters. I've forgiven you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you too, sir. Wait, I want to ask something. The 5 million you promised, you just said it, or true, you will give me?
I mean, if you don't want the check, I can actually do a transfer. And before the end of today, your boss will be brought back to you.
Hey, hey, I have nothing to say yet.
Go straight.
Make sure you go straight. You have not gotten the money. You're talking about go straight. Go straight. You go bone diagonal. By the time the money comes out, you need to go bone zigzag. Wait first. Let us get the money.